For some people, rehabilitation from injury will be a relatively simple process. But for others, it's not as simple as a physical journey. The truth is, rehabilitation can be hard. It can be really hard. Being in pain can be really hard, for you and for those around you. But doing the work is always worth it. Putting the work in rewards you. Working hard for a healthier and brighter future is the stuff that Rocky movies are made of. This is going to take grit, this is going to take tenacity. This is base camp. Putting in the work means making changes. It means prioritising your recovery, making time for it, and changing the way you do things. Getting stronger, getting fitter, learning to balance again, learning to move better.
You will get better.
The process can be uncomfortable and at times it can be confronting, and you will learn a lot. You will make mistakes, you will fall off the wagon, you will make some wrong turns along the way. You will get back up, you will dust yourself off, you'll get back on the wagon, and you will get better. There will be ups and downs, there'll be ups and ups, and there might be some downs and downs.
You will get better.
There is no magic wand or fairy dust, there are no shortcuts. Often your pain is complex and layered. We need to be realistic, it can take time, it will take effort.
You will get better.
Rehab isn't just about improving pain. Pain is a trickster. Pain can often be the last symptom of an injury to appear and the first to leave. And it can also be a stubborn, unwelcome resident in your body.
You will get better.
Rehab is about getting your body moving better, getting it stronger. It's learning about yourself. Rehab is about making changes that will make your life a better life. Have a plan, trust the process, ask for help, work as a team, and just have a crack. You will get better.
You will get better.